name is Rhoda Obeto. I'm the CEO and founder of GOS Projects Limited. GOS Projects is a HR consulting and project management company. We started about 8 years ago, and we focus on providing HR services along the entire HR value chain and project manage either small-scale or large-scale projects. I started my love and sometimes hate relationship with HR over 20 years ago. At first, I started out as a HR generalist, and I have personally tilted towards organizational development, specializing in performance management. I also increased the employability of our teaming youths, improving even the performance and productivity of those who are currently employed. And this is how the idea of HRMTV started. When I tell people that I'm a HR professional, they say things like, also you hire and you fire people. But you see, that's just a little bit of what a HR professional would do. You see, HR is often loosely used to describe a department in an organization where HR matters are often dealt with. It is not just that. You see, HR is your human resource. They are your people. It actually refers to the people who work in your organization, who are physically present in your organization or in your businesses. HRM refers to how these people are managed. You see, your people, your HR, they have to be properly managed so that they can perform to your organizational level and what you desire, your performance standards. Therefore, HR management is everything you do before, in between, and after you engage with a potential employee. It covers the strategies you develop to manage them. It things you will adopt, strategies you will adopt, strategies you will implement, even the policies you will craft and how, and the legislations to be guided by. Having said that, theoretically you can divide HRM into three main areas. So there's the management of employees. This is how you help employees identify their strong points and their weaknesses and then help them to improve, either as they progress along the organization or in their own personal career paths. It helps you to determine the type and level of performance that each person requires, and also the type of motivation to use, compensation to adopt or apply, and then even the rewards that you will need to utilize. We also have organizational development, and this covers how you focus to ensure that your people are growing and learning new habits, even fully utilizing the good behaviors that they already have, and perhaps even improving on how they use work systems. And in a way whereby all of these things I've just mentioned help the organization to perform and to be more profitable. And finally, we have the growth and development of employees, and it's HR's responsibility to ensure that the knowledge and the experiences of the employees do not stagnate. That they are learning new things in a way where it aligns to their own personal aspirations and that of the organization. So the two must align. It is important that your employees grow, whether they do it by themselves or whether HR decides to support them and facilitate that growth. And it could be by way of how you plan the development, the kind of systems you put in place for them, the right jobs that you fix them up with, and even putting them on the right career path. So these three areas is what makes us HR professionals. All the need to create a platform where we HR professionals, we can collectively demystify HR practices. For everybody, we can demystify it for everybody, and this is how the idea of HR came about, and this is what we seek to do. So what is HRMTV? It's a platform where we post everything HR. It will feature amazing discussions on everything HR, topical people issues will be discussed. There will be interviews with HR leaders, panel discussions, there will be series of online workshops. There will be question and answer sessions. We'll also be discussing real-life case studies, the reviews, you name it. HRMTV is targeted at everyone, whether you're a student, whether you are an organization, an employer, whether you are an employee even, and even if you are unemployed. Everyone has a thing or two to learn from tuning into HRMTV channel. We have exciting topics to be discussed, and I am excited about this project, and I know that you will be too. And what's then not to be excited about? We have researched, and we're still researching ways that HRMTV can be entertaining and worthwhile for everybody. So I welcome you to the HRMTV channel. Please subscribe, turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to know when we post anything. Like our videos, and comment in the comment section below. Give us your feedback. We are open to suggestion from everybody on ways that we can improve on our content. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with everyone that you know. Yes, everyone. So I'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you. Bye.